Welcome back, everyone. This is the continuation of the very first part one of understanding the 1688 interface. Okay, this is a continuation of it. So sit back and enjoy. All right, so here on this very app, this is where we have the new product ordering. So when you come here, this is where you'll be seeing the new products that the manufacturers or the suppliers, excuse me, or the factories are just producing. They're just, showcasing it on this very platform, on this interface. Okay, so you see all kinds of new things that they're just producing right on this very space. All right, so let's go back. Okay, so we are here now. So we're going to be looking down. Okay, we have been talking about the upper side. Let's look at the down part and see there are still some icons that we'll be needing while we are shopping or browsing the 1688 sites. Okay, now we have the 1688 right here. That's the home page. That's the first icon you see that has the orange button. Okay, we have the 1688 home page. Now the second one is the message. Right, we have the message. Now, this message means this is where you have that's your inbox. In fact, this is where all your chats, everything you chat with your suppliers, this is where you're going to see it. Let's click on it. And this is where you see all the chats you have with the suppliers. Okay, everything is right here. These are the ones that I've had with my suppliers. So, all of them are right here. So, this is your inbox. Now, the very next one is the cart. Now the cart is when you're buying or when you're browsing, going through, looking at things, and you see something you like and you're not ready to buy. You can just put them in the cart. Even if you want to buy, but you are still, trying to get other things. For you not to forget this particular thing you like, you can just save it in the cart, put it in the cart. Okay. Once it's in the cart, once you're ready to buy, you will now come and buy. Okay, if you look down here, you will see this checkout. Once you click on that checkout, as you're ready to buy, that's this checkout here. Once you click on it, it will show orange color. And so it means that you're ready to check out. Checkout means you want to make payments. Okay, so everything you want to buy, you can be putting them in your cart. Just like when you go to supermarkets, you carry your basket, you're putting the items you want to buy. When you get to the cashier, you pay, right, and leave. But when you get to the cashier and when you are paying and some of them you could not, you return them to where you got them. So that is how it is here. While you're here shopping, you put your things in the cart. When you're ready, you pay for them, you check out. That means payment. You make your payments, right? So that's it. So that is all about carts. Okay. Now the next one is the me icon. That is this very one, the me icon. Very important because this is what houses the activity, the all overall activity you do on 1688 when it comes to you buying, paying, receiving, and all of that. So this me icon, which is your profile, houses all of that. Now we're going to be looking at it and dissect it so that you understand very well. Okay, now we're going to click on this me icon, that is your profile. Click on it. Good. Now once we are here, okay, once we are here, so you'll be seeing things like to pay, to ship, to receive, right? So we're going to explain all of this. Now this to pay simply means you are about to make payment for something. Okay, you're about to make some payment for something. But if you could not finish up the payment at the time, you'll be given a time frame to pay up, usually 3 days max. Okay, so that's to pay means you're about to make payment for something you bought. All right, now to ship means that your item you have made payments. Okay, you have made payment for that item you bought. You have made payment, you have paid the Chinese. Now it's about to be shipped. That is, the order is now guaranteed to be shipped within the promised time. and delays will be eligible for compensation. So you have made payments, right, on the to pay. Now to ship, the Chinese suppliers that you paid will now ship that your item to your shipping agent in the shipping agent warehouse in that very China. Okay, in China. So that is to ship, right? Now to receive means that this your supplier, your warehouse or your shipping agent has received the item, okay, or they are about to receive it. So to receive means your goods or items are almost at the warehouse or it has been received by your shipping agent. That is the shipping agent where they have warehouses in China. So that to receive means either your shipping agent in their warehouse they have received your goods, or they are about to receive it, or they will almost receive it. Okay. Now to review, you do not have any business with this review. This review simply means that the goods have been received by my shipping company in China. So please do not give any review here. You are not required to do so. Okay. Now, refund means if you're not okay with what you have received, you can always ask for refund. Maybe you wanted maybe what they sent to you was broken, or maybe something happened while it was on transit. You can ask for refund, or maybe they sent something entirely different from what you ordered for. You resolve the issue with the supplier, they will make a refund for you. If it's your Lipi that you make use of, you will get your instant refund. But if it's your credit cards that you make use of as your ATMs, then you will have to wait for like a week or 2 weeks for you to receive. But they will refund you. That is a very sure thing. As long as you made that payment on the 1688 app. Okay? Now we're going over to the overseas ship. This overseas ship means when you buy from the Chinese supplier, they now have a new arrangement of shipping your goods directly to you in your home country. Okay, you might not need the services of your warehouse, shipping agent warehouse that is in China, or the ones that you make use of here in your country, whether Nigeria, Kenya, or Ghana. Okay, now the Chinese themselves are now offering this overseas ship. They're now offering to move your goods for you directly to you. But it's not like it's going to come to you directly, like to your doorstep. No. It's going to get to a shipping agent they are making use of here in whether in Ghana or in Nigeria, whichever of the shipping company they're making use of, your goods will land there and then you go over there and pick your item, right? So that's the new way the Chinese are beginning to come into transportation, right? And they're trying to make this easier for first timers that come online to buy. Okay. The next one is the help center. Now, if you're facing any challenges on the 1688 app, you can always click on that, so as to get help. Okay. Now the collect section is where you have your items saved, all the items you favorited while you were shopping, while you were going through the app, all the items you favorited will all be in this collect. Okay, it will all be in this collect. All the items that you clicked on, you starred on, you favorited, all of them are in collect. And the voucher means it's just a discount a supplier gives, It's majorly for first timers and for those who are buying in bulk, those who buy very well on the site. Okay, they are always giving voucher to appreciate them, to say thank you. So that is what this voucher is all about. Now the footprint here, the footprint means your history. All you have done on 1688 will be stored here. Everything you have clicked on, everything you searched for or chatted with, all of them will come under this footprint. So it's more like your history, your history, all that you have been doing on 1688. Okay. Now we have something that is called the Plus membership. Okay, while you're buying on the 68, you might see this. It could just come up. It's always around, so, around the corner. It's called Plus membership. Now this means this is a membership that the C88 gives. Okay, and you will have to make payment to be a member of this Plus membership. You have to make some payments. Now, the benefits of being a Plus member is that you get huge discounts when making a purchase on the Society app. Now, and the discounts are usually huge, like 50% off whatever it is you're buying, or 70%. The discount is usually very good, and you can still upgrade to a higher membership to enjoy more benefits. Okay, so this is basically everything you need to know about the 1688 interface. When you familiarize yourself with all of this that I've discussed, then it should be a whole lot easier for you to navigate the 1688. As you keep navigating, as you keep coming on 1688 in learning, then everything will get easier with time. Okay, so I hope this helps. I hope this helps a whole lot. Thank you very much. See you on my next video. Ciao.